Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Subaru Impreza's AC. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your car is in a well-ventilated spot. Next, identify the low-pressure service port on your AC system, typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This is where you'll connect the refrigerant can. Always double-check the port to ensure it's the correct one before proceeding. Once you've located the low-pressure port, firmly attach the Quick Connect fitting from your AC recharge kit. Listen for a click to confirm it's properly seated, preventing any refrigerant escape. Then, start your Subaru's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. This activates the compressor, allowing the system to draw in the new refrigerant effectively. With the engine running and AC on full, hold the refrigerant can upright and begin squeezing the trigger. Rock the can gently back and forth to help the refrigerant flow smoothly into the system. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge on your recharge kit. You want to reach the recommended pressure range, typically indicated by a green zone, without exceeding it to prevent damage. After reaching the correct pressure, quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Listen for a slight hiss, which is normal. Inspect the connection area for any signs of leaks. Finally, close your hood and enjoy the refreshing, cold air from your Subaru Impreza's AC system. Remember, if the AC stops working again soon, a professional inspection might be needed for a larger leak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.